nga pala si Yuka. Taga-Pilipinas talaga ako. Pero life happened and somehow I ended up studying in Oita, Japan. Not Tokyo, not Osaka, Oita. Ngayon, third year student na ako. At nag-aaral ako sa Ritsumeikan Asia Pacific University o mas kilalang APU. Bilang isang international business student, importante na ma-expose ako sa iba't ibang kultura. Kaya naman, perfect na perfect ang APU for me. Dahil all my classmates comes from different parts of the world. Also, classes are both offered in English and Japanese.
In APU, we have about 40 students from the Philippines, including undergrad students and MBA students. Our Filipino graduates work all over Japan and across the globe. One serves as an officer at the United Nations, another serves the Philippine government, while others work in other countries in different industries. So studying here is a great start to build your career and future.
Dito sa APU, you can study about international business management, social studies, sustainability, and tourism. Also, here sa Oita Prefecture, there are other universities like Oita University, Beppu University, and Misobe College, where you can study about nursing, engineering, medicine, food and nutrition, and language studies. Pero most ng mga classes nila ay naka-Japanese lamang. Kilala ang Oita sa kanilang onsen or in English, hot spring. Dinadayo ito ng mga turista galing sa iba't ibang bansa dahil sa magagandang dulot ng onsen sa kanilang pangangatawan at kalusugan. Also, Oita is rich in nature. May magandang balanse ito ng city life at kalikasan. Madami silang lugar na maaari mong puntahan para mag-sightseeing at mag-enjoy sa murang halaga. Aside from that, here in Oita, there are lots of places para mag-unwind and chill with your friends. Gaya ng masasarap at tahimik na mga cafes dahil hindi ito masyadong crowded. And lastly, may mga masasayang events ang Oita throughout the year. So now let's talk about the topic that most of you are really curious. Magkano nga ba ang cost of living ng international student here sa Japan?
Sa Pilipinas, pag sinabing Japan, unang pumapasok sa isip natin is mahal, pero studying in Japan is not expensive as you think. For international student, in our case, in Oita, in APU, meron kami tinatawag na tuition reduction scholarship. So maaari ka makatanggap ng 30% to 100%.
So, all you need to do is maging active ka lang sa academics and be passionate about the things that you want to do while you're here in the university.
Dumako naman tayo sa monthly living cost mo sa pagtira dito sa Japan. You have two options.
So, ang una mong option is to live alone. In my case, I live alone, and this is the estimated gastos ko per month. So, first, for the rent, I use 16,000 pesos, and utilities is around 4,000 pesos. Ang kagandahan dito sa Japan is libre yung tubig and wifi sa most of the apartments. And for the grocery is around 5,000 to 6,000 pesos per month.
Ang pangalawang option mo naman is tumira ka with your friends. Ito, meron tayong 3 kwarto, isang malaking living room, kitchen, at shower room. Kung ikukumpara mo siya sa naunang layout, mas malaki siya dahil 3 tao nga kayo sa isang apartment. At dito naman ay ang gastos per month at per person siya. So sa renta, pumapatak siyang 10,000 pesos, habang sa utilities naman ay 3,000 pesos. Pero nakadepende to sa gamit nyong magkakaibigan. At lastly, sa grocery, medyo parehas lang siya sa nauna, which is 5,000 to 6,000 pesos per month.
Siguro napapaisip kayo kung posible bang mabayaran yung ganong kalaking halaga per month. So, as a Filipino, we have this culture or thinking na ayaw natin masyadong maging pabigat sa mga parents natin. And what we do to shoulder some of the cost is we do part-time job.
So, bago ka makapag-apply for part-time jobs, you need to have a work permit kasi first of all, estudyante ka dito, kaya you need to balance academics with your part-time job. So, weekly, you can work up to 28 hours on a semester. Then, kapag long break naman, you can work up to 40 hours in a week. And then, dito, we have an hourly salary of roughly 1,000 yen. So, mahigit 300 pesos per hour. Tsaka meron naman tayong mga examples dito na usually pinagtatrabuhan ng mga Pilipino.
And yung mga trabaho na to is hindi mo kailangan ng fluent level na Japanese. In my case, I do online English teaching and I use some of my salary to shoulder my utilities, groceries, and also going out to eat.
And in my case naman, nagtatrabaho ako dito sa school, sa university na pinapasukan ko. And ang ginagawa ko is nagtitake ako ng picture, videos, tsaka tumutulong din ako sa social media ng school.
So bakit nga ba Oita Prefecture, Drew?
Dito kasi sa Oita may balance ng nature tsaka city life. Nung tumira kasi ako sa Manila, the life there is very fast-paced, tsaka wala masyadong nature, like hindi mo talaga hanapin. Pero dito sa Oita, yung nature nakapaligid na siya sa'yo eh. Ikaw ba? Are you happy here sa Oita?
Yes, I'm very happy dito sa Oita. Because sabi mo nga, the life here is very slow. Na you don't have to focus on anything else. You just have to focus on yourself. Yeah, to summarize or to explain Oita Prefecture, ang buhay dito ay hindi
Karera! Mula rito sa Oita, paalam!